Hey guys, Rhett here at a client's property. Vivian, I'm so happy for you. Guys, this is Vivian's first Section 8 rental property. She has it under contract for $100,000. It's gonna need $8,000 in rehab. Now, this house has just been flipped, but we know a lot of times these houses aren't flipped to Section 8 standards. There's also some things in this house that I don't really understand. We'll walk through, we'll talk about why it's gonna be $8,000. I think this house, when all said and done, when we're done with it, we're gonna get somewhere between $1,300 and $1,400 a month in rent for it. Come on in. So guys, bust the transition strip here when you walk in. I'll put a new one in, okay? So guys, there's always a difference in getting a house ready for sale and getting a house ready for a Section 8 tenant. Remember, we have to follow Section 8 guidelines, which are government federal guidelines. And you can go online and you can see exactly what the government requires. And there's a reason why that checklist is 6 pages, 7 pages long. So let's walk through this house. Now, I'm gonna start in the kitchen where you guys are. Now, of course, we have our living room right here, good sized living room. All the hardwood has been finished very, very nicely. It's all been sanded and refinished. I'm really happy with the job that was done with the hardwood. Everything in the kitchen's been redone. It's got a new floor. Believe it or not, it actually feels pretty good. It doesn't feel like it was done in a very slumlordy way, which I'm not used to saying that. I'm not used to that taste, saying those words. But brand new countertops, new cabinets. The water's not on. That's an issue. I looked at some of the plumbing. Not all the plumbing has been updated. We're gonna have to change some things with the plumbing. Some smaller things, but at least we know that going in. This is a GFI, which is fine. Some of these outlets are not grounded. We have to swap them out, and we're gonna have to do that throughout the entire house. So it's gonna need some outlet work. The panel box here is new, which is nice. Okay, nice having new electrical done. I just don't understand why people don't always just do the right thing with the plugs. Moving into here, guys, we have our laundry room. So we have our laundry hookups. We have our dryer outlet, our 220. We have our vent as well. Brand new water heater. It's an electrical water heater, guys. If you guys don't understand what an electrical water heater is, let's talk about it quick so you can recognize it. This right here is the breaker box that feeds the water heater power. Therefore, it's electrical, okay? A gas water heater, if it was gas, the gas would come up through the ground. It would have a little spoke that the water heater would tie into, all right? On the top, there would be an area where all the excess fumes from the gas come up, and then there'd be a vent going into the ceiling, and then venting those gas fumes outside. That's how you know the difference between a gas and an electric water heater. Gas water heaters have a little piece on top that all that excess fumes can escape from. Electric water heaters are electric, okay? Very easy to know. Very easy to see now that you guys understand that. Okay, this is where I have my first major issue with this house. It's a 3-bedroom, but come on down here, okay? We have an exit door over here leading into the backyard. You gotta do a lot of landscape work. Gotta put a railing off of those back stairs, but come down in here. So, we have here a really large room. No door, no nothing. What we're gonna do here is, a lot of outlets in here. We are going to take this room and turn it into a master bedroom, which is gonna be great. It's a huge room. It's got enough outlets for an entire house. What we're gonna do is we're gonna wall this off right here. We're gonna make this a closet. We're gonna build a door frame right here and put a door right here. So this is gonna be its own big, huge bedroom. We have our egress. We have an aluminum window right behind you. We have all new recessed lighting, LED recessed lighting. So this house is very much on its way, but that's a huge upgrade that we're gonna make. That's gonna bring our anticipated rent, our estimated rent, from $1,100 to $1,200 to $1,200 to $1,400, okay? So it's gonna move us up significantly. Coming back up here, guys, through the kitchen. Have our living room, of course, which is nice. All new light fixtures, new HVACs outside. We have a brand new bathroom, new toilet, new vanity, new tub, new shower, window. You can see the brand new unit right outside the window, which is great. And then you have bedroom number 2. So bedroom number 2 is a little bit smaller, but still good. The outlets in here are not right. We got to swap those out. We have our closet. Ceiling has just been redone. We've got some stalactites coming down from the ceiling. Be careful there. That's what happens when ceilings are done in haste, guys. Nice little linen closet. Gonna cover that up. Bedroom number 3. You redo a house like this, right? You want $100 grand for it, and you can't change out the outlets. I just don't get it. I'll never get it. And lastly, guys, bedroom number 4. And bedroom number 4 is a little bit bigger. It looks really good. We have our closet. We have everything that we need. So overall, I love it. I love it. I love it. It's in great shape. We don't have to do anything major. We just have to do certain things to make it the best it can be. And what is that? Well, it's all the Section 8 items, right? It's the railing off the back. It's all the outlet work. It's the small stuff. It's the little things. It's the broken transition strips. We got to upgrade, and of course the plumbing. We have to do some plumbing issues. There are some plumbing things here that we have to address. We have to do the things to add value and to add rent, which are build a new closet, add a new bedroom, things like that. Things that are going to bring this property from here to here. So what I'm going to have Vivian do as soon as we leave here, I'm going to call her and I'm going to say, hey, what we need to do is we need to counter them and say, hey, instead of 100, we need to get this thing for 92 or 94. And then we put in our rehab budget into that so they pay for the rehab. Now, what do I mean by they pay for the rehab? Well, we take $8,000 off of the sales price and then we get it $8,000 cheaper. Fantastic, right? Now, even if they don't want to go for that whole amount, we still win because the value of this house after we do that rehab is going to be that much higher. This is the kind of house that somebody stays in for a really long time. It's in a great neighborhood, really quiet, in a great part of town. I'm really, really excited about it. And I think for Vivian, for this to be her first Section 8 rental, I think it's gonna be amazing. If you guys are watching this video and you also wanna be like Vivian, get your own Section 8 rentals, do this yourself, start building wealth for you, shoot me an email in the description below and we'll get you started. Otherwise, guys, questions, comments, drop them below and we'll get to all of them. We'll see you next time.